Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh bosku. Ketemu lagi di Rara Channel ya. Di video kali ini mumpung di kios burung lagi kosong ya, udah dikirimin kemarin, jadi saya nyantai tuh. Alhasil gak ada kegiatan, langsung aja ambil burung merpati pos 4 ekor, langsung diterbangin ya. Daripada nganggur gak ada kegiatan bosku, mending nerbangin merpati pos nih. Oh ya, ini bersama anak kesayangan saya, si bocil, si cantik jelita bosku, yang sering nerbangin burung merpati sama anaknya. Silakan tulis di kolom komentar ya. Oke, gimana keseruannya? Simak terus videonya sampai selesai.
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away, but now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have